VALE stock analysis and VALE stock prediction. In this very brief and short 1-minute video, I'm going to break down exactly how I'm going to trade this. See, look, I'm the only guy in the space that has actually done 40,000 videos and documented them all. Yes, it's taken me freaking 5 years, but at least I've done and seen what's working. And again, it's all documented. So ultimately with Vale, it's all over the place, which I don't like. Everything is kind of shifted, which I'm going to get rid of. When I'm looking at this market, I'm not like overly bullish, optimistic, or pessimistic. I mean, I understand that we're still coming from this higher time frame bearish market, right? Like in a way where, let me just get rid of that. The ideal point is going to be breaks above 1150, but I know we're now close to it, and this is melting down. Well, you know, the only thing that will make me be bullish is a full candle close above 951. Other than that, like me randomly buying, it's not going to be happening. And again, I'm saying, like, I'm just sticking to something that I've tested. So if you do want to learn, like, my bad. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading without like much complexity, then click the first link in the description and get my free emails.